In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best PlayStation 4 discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for PlayStation 4 discount codes. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use to get some discounts for PlayStation. For example, if you want to get this one with 10% discount, all you need to do is simply select that promotion, and right here this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy the promo code, and you can apply this one in order to get this 10% discount right here. Also, going back to our main search, we have right here this website which is called simplycodes.com, and right here we also have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts on PlayStation website. For example, if you want to get this one with 20% discount, all you need to do is select right here the copy code option, and this is the promo code. You can simply copy this promo code from right here, and if you apply this one on your next purchase, you'll get this 20% discount. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.